What if one script could become an entire drama series? Without a production crew, without building sets, and without spending weeks planning every single scene. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly what Pippit is trying to unlock. And honestly, this feels like one of the biggest leaps in AI video for creators. Today, we are looking at Pippit AI short drama agent, positioned as the world's first AI short drama agent powered by Gemini Seedens 2.0 engine. The idea here isn't just generating random clips. It's about helping creators go from text to a full short drama workflow with character consistency, scene structure, cinematic visuals, and multilingual distribution. So let's talk about why that matters. The first big idea is simple but powerful. Pippit literally goes from text to series. Yes, you heard it right. You can upload scripts up to 100,000 words, and the system handles things like scene breakdown, character logic, and the world building structure. Now that matters because traditional short drama production gets messy fast. Before anything is produced, creators usually have to organize scenes, track plot continuity, define characters, relationships, and make sure the visual journey still makes sense from episode to episode, of course. Pippit is aiming to compress all of that into one workflow. So instead of asking, how do I turn this giant script into something producible, the question becomes, how fast can I turn this into a real series? Now that's a huge productivity shift. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. One of the biggest problems in AI storytelling is consistency. Yes, you generate one great shot, and then in the next scene, the main character suddenly has a different face, different styling, right? And different proportions, or a totally different vibe, right? So we don't want that, because that breaks immersion instantly. But Pippit tackles this with intelligent global character management. You heard it right. Instead of manually fixing every appearance, the system scans the story, analyzes the character arcs and relationships, and keeps everything organized through a centralized character workflow. In other words, your lead is supposed to stay your lead from the first shot to the last. And for serialized storytelling, that isn't optional. That's the foundation, right? Yes, indeed. Because if audiences are going to care about the story, they need to believe they are following the same character through the entire journey. The next big point is visual quality. Now, a lot of AI-generated video still struggles with unnatural skin texture, awkward motion, fake-looking lighting, and visuals that feel polished in the wrong way. I mean, you can spot a fake video if you pay attention to it. However, Pippit positioning is that it delivers more realistic movement, more natural skin texture, and more sophisticated lighting. Now, that matters especially for short dramas because this format lives and dies on emotional close-up, facial performance, atmosphere, and visual credibility, of course. If the characters look fake, the story loses emotional weight. Obviously, we don't want that. But if the visuals feel grounded, suddenly AI short drama starts looking much more commercially viable. Another major advantage is global reach. Now, Pippit includes multi-language lip sync and native quality voiceover, with support for languages like English, Portuguese, and Indonesian. Yes, Indonesian. Now, that's cool. And that changes the scale of what creators can do. Normally, releasing content internationally means separate dubbing workflows, localization costs, and a lot of manual coordination. But the promise here is create once, distribute globally. Now that means the same drama can potentially reach viewers across multiple markets without rebuilding the content from scratch. And for creators, for agencies, or brands trying to build narrative content internationally, that's one of the strongest use cases. And that's because now the question isn't just, can I make a story? It becomes, can I make the story travel? Now that's a good question. So what kind of stories fit this best? Now, some genre fit this workflow especially well, right? Things like supernatural and alpha romance, right? As well, post-apocalyptic survival, modern billionaire or revenge stories, right? Royal affairs and power plays, right? And that makes sense because these genres rely heavily on dramatic character arcs, right? And recognizable leads in strong visual worlds, right? In costumes, in status, and emotional intensity. They also benefit from consistency across multiple episodes. Now think about a transformation scene in a supernatural romance, or a recurring lead in a billionaire revenge series, or palace drama with elaborate wardrobe and grand settings, right? Now those are exactly the kinds of scenarios where visual continuity and production efficiency matters the most. So this isn't just about making AI videos, it's about making the kind of stories audiences already binge. Now what also stands out is how clear the workflow is, right? Now the process looks like this. Upload your script, confirm the requirements, organize the script content, manage characters globally, manage scenes globally, edit episode video and storyboard if needed, synthesize and export. And all of this matters because a strong AI tool shouldn't just generate content. It should help creators move to production in a logical way. And that's what this feels like. Not just a model demo, but a structured production pipeline for drama creation. Now, here's the big takeaway. Pippit isn't just saying AI can make a cool clip. It's aiming at something much bigger. Now, AI can help one creator build an entire short drama operation, from long-form script ingestion to character consistency to cinematic output to multilingual release. That's why this feels less like a simple feature launch and more like a real productivity milestone. So yeah, access today. If you want to get started, access AI short drama agent powered by Gemini Cadence 2.0 on Pippit now. Experience the next era of creation. Link in description, of course. And thank you for using my link. Now, as usual, if you have any questions, drop a comment down below. I'm here to help you using Pippit and everything I recommend you. And if you enjoyed the video, drop as well a thumbs up. And see you guys on my next AI tool recommendation. Peace out.